Hi there, I'm Mrs. English. Today we'll practice 200 sentences together to help you speak with confidence. Listen, repeat, and remember, you can pause anytime. If you find this lesson helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to join our classroom. And don't forget to share this with a friend who is also learning. Ready? Let's begin. Karate is a martial art. Many people practice karate. Karate comes from Japan. Students wear white uniforms. The uniform is called a gi. I want to learn karate. Karate makes you strong. Do you like karate? Children can learn karate too. We practice karate at the dojo. The dojo is a training place. My teacher is very good. He teaches karate every day. She is learning karate now. Karate students bow to their teacher. Bowing shows respect and honor. I bow before each class. Do you practice karate? Yes, I practice 3 times weekly. Karate helps me stay healthy. We learn to punch correctly. We learn to kick high. My kicks are getting better. Students practice blocks in karate. Blocking protects you from attacks. I block with my arms. She blocks very fast. We practice punches every lesson. Punching requires good form and power. He punches the training pad. The pad is red and thick. Do you train every day? No, I train 4 days weekly. Karate requires discipline and focus. Students must concentrate during practice. I concentrate on my movements. She is very focused today. We warm up before training. Warming up prevents injuries completely. I stretch my legs carefully. He stretches his arms too. Stretching makes muscles flexible and ready. Are you ready to train? Yes, I am ready now. Let's start the karate class. The class begins at 6. My class ends at 7. We train for 1 hour. 1 hour is enough time. I feel tired after class. Karate students earn colored belts. Belts show your skill level. White belt is for beginners. I have a white belt now. She has a yellow belt. Yellow comes after white belt. He is working toward orange. Orange belt is the next level. Do you want a black belt? Yes, black belt is my goal. Black belt takes many years. You must practice very hard. I practice at home daily. She practices in the morning. We practice together on weekends. Practice makes you better at karate. My sensei is very experienced. Sensei means teacher in Japanese. Our sensei has a black belt. He has trained for 20 years. She respects her sensei very much. Students listen to their sensei carefully. The sensei demonstrates each move first. Then students copy the move exactly. I try to copy perfectly. Copying helps you learn faster. Do you understand the move? Yes, I understand it now. Can you show me again? Sure, I will show you. We learn kata in karate class. Kata is a set of movements. Each kata has a specific pattern. I am learning my first kata. The kata has 20 moves. She knows 3 katas already. He performs kata very smoothly. We practice kata every single lesson. Kata improves your technique and memory. Do you remember the kata? Yes, I remember most of it. I need more practice time. Practice helps you remember better. We also practice sparring in class. Sparring means fighting with a partner. It is controlled and very safe. Students wear protective gear for sparring. I wear gloves and foot protectors. She wears a chest protector too. Safety is very important in karate training. The protective gear keeps us safe from injury. We must control our punches and kicks carefully. I don't want to hurt my partner. He is my sparring partner this week. We practice together twice every single week. Sparring helps you learn timing and distance well. Do you enjoy sparring with your partners? Yes, Sparring is my favorite part completely. Some students feel nervous about sparring at first. I felt nervous during my very first time. Now I feel more confident and much stronger. Confidence comes from regular practice and training. My sensei gives us feedback after each class. Feedback helps us improve our technique and form. He tells me to keep my guard up. She needs to work on her balance more. Balance is very important in all karate moves. I practice balance exercises at home every day. Standing on one leg improves your balance quickly. We also do strength training for karate. Strong muscles help you punch and kick harder. I do push-ups every morning before school. She does sit-ups to strengthen her core muscles. Core strength is essential for good karate technique. Do you do any strength training at home? Yes, I exercise for 30 minutes each day. Regular exercise makes you a better karate student. We learn about karate philosophy in our classes. Karate is not just about fighting other people. It teaches respect, discipline, and self-control always. I learned to control my emotions through karate. She has become more patient since starting training. Karate helps children develop confidence and focus well. My younger brother started karate last month ago. He loves going to class every single week. Do your friends practice karate with you regularly? Some of my friends train at the dojo. We encourage each other to keep practicing hard. Training together makes karate more fun for everyone. Our dojo will have a belt test soon. The belt test happens every 3 months regularly. Students must demonstrate all their skills and knowledge. I am preparing for my yellow belt test. She is nervous but excited about the test. We practice extra hours before the test day. The test includes kata, basics, and sparring sections. Do you feel ready for your belt test? I feel mostly ready but still need practice. My sensei thinks I will pass the test. Passing the test requires hard work and dedication. After the test, we will celebrate our achievements together. Some students will receive their new belt colors proudly. Getting a new belt is a very special moment. I will be very happy to earn yellow. My parents will come to watch the test. They are proud of my karate progress always. Karate has taught me many important life lessons. I have learned to never give up easily. When something is difficult, I keep trying harder. She has learned to respect other people more. Respect is one of the most important values. We bow to show respect before and after. Bowing to opponents shows good sportsmanship and honor. Karate competitions happen several times each year locally. Students can compete against others at their level. I want to compete in a tournament someday. Tournaments are exciting but can be very challenging. She competed in her first tournament last month. She didn't win but learned a lot anyway. Winning is not the most important thing always. Learning and improving are more important than winning. Do you think you will compete this year? Maybe I will compete if I feel ready. My sensei will tell me when I'm ready. Our dojo participates in community events, sometimes too. We demonstrate karate at the local school fair. People enjoy watching our karate demonstrations very much. Demonstrations help promote karate in the community widely. More people become interested in learning karate afterward. I enjoy showing others what I have learned. Karate is becoming more popular around the world. Many countries now have karate schools and training centers. Karate was included in the Olympic Games recently. Olympic karate athletes train for many years dedicatedly. Do you watch karate competitions on television sometimes? Yes, I watch competitions to learn new techniques. Watching experts helps me improve my own skills. I hope to earn my black belt someday. Black belt is a major goal for me. It will take several more years to achieve. I am willing to work hard for it. Karate will always be part of my life. I will continue training even after black belt. There is always something new to learn daily. My sensei says learning never stops in karate. Are you going to practice karate this week? Yes, I have class tomorrow evening at 6. I look forward to every karate class eagerly. Karate makes me stronger, healthier, and more confident. I am proud to be a karate student. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.